Everybody has been concerned. The bridge is painted red.
Yeah, your only concern is that's why they are not branded. Yeah, say why they are not branded. No, I'm saying whoever is saying that. No, I'm saying whoever is saying that. Even they cannot say.
Let us speak. You are representing the No, you are representing
why? Or this thing, the only problem that
you don't want to
problem that it is that or had it brand affair.
Now let's talk.
Consent, fella.
Now let's talk. Ramona, Katlehong, bridge is painted red, but they are scared. They are unable to drive. Even the police are saying, we are afraid to remove these things because they are illegal. And these things are not branded. And spiritually, it's domination, it's control, it's a war. It's a spiritual power to control and overpower everything. Now this man is running a church, which is called a cult, but whenever it's a church, they have a right to do it. And then he is saying, spiritually, lento le into ka moya. Ke holetse di kereke tsa moya pele ke pholotswa nna. Ke a itse ba ntotse. Now, a di tloswa, wa ba bona ke ba le bomme. They are worried. Yes. Yes.
We are totally against this. This is scaring people.
Yes.
If ever go to it at your church. EFF by Sugera, EFF
it's fine.
This is not EFF, and we will not allow this. As Christians in Katlehong, we will not allow this. We are saying no to this. This is not right. And EFF, back over EFF, but
the
problem, the problem is that these flags are not branded. Exactly. Problem of which Julius Muvuli, it's a member of the EFF. Problem here, you can say reflected as now so he thought people will
no.
Red
is not owned by
EFF. That is his mistake.
This is a mistake.
Yeah,
you are not going to get the votes over a red flag. You are supposed to put your flag there.
This is
yes, because
thank you. But so Mdluli ke buile le nona jwale ko fonong maponisa imakanqange mama amaphoyisa ayasho na ukuthi lento is illegal bayasaba to even touch it. Now the bridge is painted, so people are afraid all over. People are terrified as and this man never chisa kereke high. They were going to burn his church. They were going to fight him. People who understand. I went there and he came. And the reason why he decided to burn his own raid is because it's the same. It's all one sound. And why at the end of the day, isn't it disasters when Zagalala? It was going to be there. I see about.
Mboro.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a lie.
It was Monday.
Yes.
Yeah, what you say then?
1 minute storm to go from Nama flag.
Yeah,
not talking so and is a find out.
Yes.
Hello,
honorable Sunday. Hello, Sunday. Inkokhele nkulu le. Uzoyizwa na le ndaba. Ngicela ume ngapha nje. Inkokhele yasondele kuyi. Ubaba mekasayichaza la. Yes ma'am.
So so nafika namhlanje ukuthi izobona lama flag ahambisana namasonto.
Ahambisana namasonto. Aha. Yes.
So mangifika lapha la Sontra khona ngibona ama-flag ngiyabona. So mangikhuphuka ku Thai Road ngiyawabona ama-flag duzane namarobot okudala. So niyasebenzisa ama-flag la awabhalanga kusuka CFF. Ngiyajika manjika
ngoba uyazi ukuthi ezani
yazi zizomoya.
awuzwa
So manjika ngibona imoto yababa Mboro. Siyopaka la sinokupaka thina imoto kuma traffic code. Angifika lapha ngiyambona baba Mboro. Hayi nawabulisa bampola da wavuma lapho wambuza usontala ukuthi yebo usontala ngathi yini nafake ama-flag ukuthi abamampola la ma-flag angazi angwazi kanti manje lelapho ngale ngalazi salifaka ngalo bathi lawa angazi
bheka abantu
so ubaba Mpolo wathi no ukusiza ukuthi uqhubeke usonto mina le flag angifuni because afana nala no baba Mpolo akunankinga sabe siyoyithisa angithi khona mina siyithise sibone ukuthi sizofika kanjani. So athi okay asambe sayikhisa vela navuma mina uJohn Kamarani sotala safika la akala kupala ama-flag vela sakhipha sibisi ngamka umama ngicela ukuphuma ngala ama-flag
and bakhona abantu engibazwile they are plotting to go and attack them because bathi yibo labantu abaloyal, right? So vele uyasho baba this thing is spiritual, red is for war. Now if now it's not written, I'm saving this man so that people will not burn them, will not kill them. Now if Mdluli as a leader in EFF, he must put a brand. Now if he goes and consult to get powers for votes, he must clarify so that the people who are in these cults are not beaten, are not banned. So that's it. And ask what is wrong, Masusale? Ngoba manje people are scared. They see attention, they want to see what's going on. Everybody is concerned about it. But this is a dangerous thing in the spirit. You can tell us and then your views. But that's what we are doing.
No, actually, Mina, I'm going to a meeting. I was passing by, but there's a leader of the Triple C. I cannot pass by when I put an argument. That's why I made a U-turn. But then the problem is that the issue of Armour flag has been a problem since yesterday. In my office, even to them, Timbulu can tell you. Yes. People were flocking in my office. They need answers from us. As to what flags are these. And we then said to them, we don't know because we were not there and we don't remember anyone consulting us about flags. So we are not going to comment about flags. That is why other people have tried removing those flags from the Triple C, coming this side. Because we don't know. And from where I'm sitting, I don't want to speak politics. All political parties have got a logo that we must all respect. Yes. But if the flag is plain, even of another party, then for me, I cannot even sue that party because they'll simply say, China, our identity is a logo. Yeah. So without the logo, it's something else. So me now we stop that. So
so if we remove a logo, we are not fighting EFF. I prayed for EFF. I supported EFF financially, spiritually, otherwise. For whatever that time, it has passed that time. But man, what is happening? We cannot have things that are spiritual dominating our people. Now he was going to be assaulted, banned for a crime he did not commit. At least it's here. So Mdluli is saying, no, this is their right to do whatever. If you have a right, it means I must, if it's allowed, I must put my spiritual flags. Everybody must put. You have your altar. Use your own altar, your own church, your own house. But if now you dominate everybody, no, we cannot. I don't believe Julius Malema, CIC, will accept this.
No, but they have to apply. They have to apply.
There are laws in the country.
Yeah, you have to apply.
So you can take your things. The EFF
community, this is just uncalled for. It's a problem. Some people will believe in the culture. Mboro. Uyazi ukuthi irepresenta ini ireji. Kuculture yakhe. Sina
don't say culture. No.
was saying that. It's your man.
Don't say culture.
Whatever culture.
But nothing culture.
And then they say, it's our mistake to bafake la why abafakanga la flag lawa now obviously everyone will panic because why do they present?
I see the community.
So they will
Mama, hamba nezinto zakho zokhuluma. I see the community. Bahambile bayolanda amandla kamoya.
Akakhona uphendula.
Asitandaba thina nelokhoza. Naba bantu, nayi community. Ni concern Nibona izinto nayazi lento iyakhuluma le. We are all spiritual. Yes. And they don't have a right to do that.
I'm sure we must know as voters.
Yes.
Registered to vote.
Yes.
So we must know, we must be aware of it. Okay, we voted for NC, for DA. So last votela ila ulente bovule.
Labantu kushuthi bahambile bayolanda amandla wokuthola ikuleno kuyibamba spiritual. So thina abantu bafila attacked, sifila attacked nesilwa nento singazi ukuthi akamdlulu oyileader ye-EFF. So they went for a spiritual power. And now when we attack in defense, they are fighting. It's not written. If it was written that it was theirs, there was no way we could fight. None. So you are uncomfortable.
Just confused, not uncomfortable.
Yes. We are somewhere who consult to the power to do this. But now we didn't tell us. Look, everybody is scared. So they go now to find serious powers for vote.
It's day before. Like 6 months. We are.
No, this is confusing.
Listen, we are in elections. Everybody's looking for power. They go everywhere. Unfortunately, this power to dominate a good land, they put it here so that anyone who goes through will submit. It is now campaigning through spiritual to do this. And now Tina Siatash and the community is scared. Now you yourself, you are not a member of my church, but you are concerned. I can't put my church to oppress everyone who comes in here. I must have my own altar or pray with nothing. I can't put my things as injured. Painting the bridge. We are not fighting EFF, but we are fighting the spirit now that the leaders of EFF are coming with. Because it's attacking us. It's spiritual. They can fight whatever. They must put their logo. They must put their logo. If you are ANC, put your logo. If you are IFP, put your logo. If you are a Sangoma, put your logo. And now they are going to cost EFF because Manjabanti, they were voting for the purpose of Baphotholeile, for the manifesto. When you do it, let's it deep calculus. And they are not from this country.
But la mina excel manghambisa stuff la Randburg.
Yeah.
They were so worried, but which no man, one of my flags there, but that's the dilemma. Want to come but no man. I was doing a corner swing over bomb, your bomb. I never been passing. All you want to know, don't delay. Yabona nje sebecreate ama stories zange.
Yebo.
Kunenyoka semhlangano so ikwatile ukuze ngachithwa igazi kumele kuplakwe into red. Nithi mina biblically yes, i red noma ukhebe.
mayikuthi ukhebe ufuna ukutshontsha amatshwele ugogo bebopha intambo ebomvu wenzela yini wenzela ukuthi ukhebe mayibona bona ngathi this thing is dead yabona so yona red means something
but manje they can't fight because we didn't know, and still now if it's spiritual then it means all of us will put our flags. Now it's gonna be something else, and there are laws and there are bylaws. There are bylaws. Apply, follow the law. I guess uzwile nayo baba yasho ukuthi emsebenzini abantu we were scared.
They were scared.
So mina I'm responding to the nobody's
and then you
got courage. And nale khala kuse EFF yabona ukuthi labantu laba bayenza balanda amandla are wrong and azolimaza abantu athuse abantu aterrorize abantu. Mina as a prophet in this country and in this community, I will fight. I will not allow the spiritual forces as Ngazas. Nalo Baba, they almost burned his church because his flags are red. So it was going to affect him now. They are burning him. But who is lawyer? But who is lawyer? Lapha nalamanson goba vele Malawi eZimbabwe. Yabona manje foreign nationals are now in trouble. For Julius Mhluli, who went to them for power. They go to churches, they go everywhere, but they mustn't. Angeke uzothela umuthi la hamba khona abantu.
No.
Angeke umuthi uthele la hamba abantu. Into zakho zenze esigodlweni sakho.